name is Gianna, and today is November 3rd, 2021. And today's fun fact is a snail can sleep for 3 years. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Take it away, Berkeley.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated.
I wanna see you stand up. I wanna feel you be proud. I wanna hear you beating heart. Live out loud. Stand up now. If you be proud, stand up now. Live out loud.
Thanksgiving 2021 holiday meals are on November 18th. Student meal distribution at Atlantic High School at 3:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. and at Boynton Beach High School from 3:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. The Cougar dance team audition is on Thursday, November 4th, 2021 at 4:15 p.m. to 5 p.m. Meet at the dance studio.
Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn steel. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like an 80. She said that looking so. Got cash out. Told them wipe in the nose. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can take that. And I really wanna know. When you wet. I was at.
Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend a dinero. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo. Ritmo.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.
See Something, Say Something. The See Something, Say Something presentation by Safe Schools will take place on Thursday, November 4th at 10:30 a.m. Teachers will need their smartboard ready and available. The presentation will be virtual. Our school is prepared to keep you safe. Just do your part when you see any stranger. Please watch the video.
Hello everyone, I'm School District Police Chief Dan Alexander. The number one priority of the district and school police is keeping you safe. It is important that you know that our officers and other staff on your campus are available to speak with you and support you. I thank each of you who has reported a threat or something that just didn't feel right to a school administrator or a trusted adult, or through one of the district's threat reporting apps. We all have a role in keeping our schools safe. Unfortunately, here in Palm Beach County and across the country this school year, there has been an increase in the number of threats against school campuses made through social media, text, gaming platforms, and other written notification systems. Our school district takes all threats seriously, and each one is investigated thoroughly. In Florida, making a threat against a school, even as a joke, is a second-degree felony, which will have a profound impact on the future of a student who's found responsible. The district will pursue the most severe consequences, potentially including expulsion, for any student who is found to have made a threat to a school community. Since the beginning of the school year, the police department has filed criminal charges in several cases for threats against our schools. Meanwhile, other investigations are underway. These incidents have also resulted in school sanctions for students making threats. Through school police officers, cutting-edge security technology, and specially trained mental health professionals, the district is committed to keeping you and our campuses safe. If you are a student experiencing challenges, please know that help is available here at your school. Please reach out to your school counselor, behavioral health professional, school administrator, or another trusted adult. If you see something, say something, or send something. Reporting activity this way, rather than reposting or sharing rumors, is constructive and important to the success of school safety. Again, please remember, we are all school safety. Thank you.
October is Bullying and Domestic Violence Prevention Month. Make sure you speak out if you're ever getting bullied. Don't eat on your own. Let's give our attention to Miss Kennedy with our School Earth and Ocean Cleaning Initiative.
Hi Cougars, I want your garbage. From now until November 10th, I want you to bring me all of your empty candy wrappers. You come to my room 234, for every handful of candy wrappers you bring me, I'm going to give you a raffle ticket. Then starting next week, every Friday during 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade lunch, we're going to pull a raffle and you can win a prize. Prizes will be various gift cards that you can choose from. So remember, I only want candy wrappers, no chips, no cookies, none of those packaging, just the candy wrappers. You bring me candy wrappers, I give you a raffle ticket. There's no limit to the amount of raffle tickets that you can earn. And so the more raffle tickets you get, the more chance you have to win. On November 10th, with all the candy wrappers that I've collected, I'm going to take them to Loggerhead Marine Life Center. They're going to recycle them as part of an initiative that they are undergoing with all the schools in Palm Beach County to save our oceans from the garbage.
This is a statement of acknowledgement. This land on which I inhabit is physically situated in the original ancestral homelands of the Seminole, Taino, and Tequesta. I pay respect to the Seminole, Taino, and Tequesta peoples, past, present, and future, and their continuing presence in the homeland and throughout their historical diaspora. Indigenous American Month. We want to show our respect to the following tribal nations by showing the following.
Wait, hello?
Wait, Geogic Indigenous Cause. Hello, my name is Geogic.
Trina Mumila Kakawunga, Inuyunga, Kamanito Amiraklunga.
I'm Indigenous.
I am Indigenous.
I'm Inuk. I'm person. I'm a human being.
To me, what it means to be Indigenous,
To be Indigenous means I come from the land.
to have a connection to this place, to have a connection to this land, to the connection to one another. While Canada's celebrating its 150th birthday, we've been here a lot longer than that.
To me, this means 150 years of attempted genocide, colonization, and cultural appropriation. But it also means 150 years of survival, resilience, and revitalization for my people.
For the next 7 generations, our people will rise and will rebuild our culture that was once taken away from us.
Being Indigenous means having a responsibility to one another, to our communities, to represent our communities well, and to always have each other's backs.
As an actress and storyteller, I will push for the proper representation of our people in mainstream media.
Maybe over the next 150 years, we can look at the basic human rights and equality for all Canadians.
Chimigwach, I hope you enjoyed this. Peace.
Thank you, Matna Nakongmig Kwana.
We run this mother.
Show your cat. In celebration of National Cat Day, please record some funny videos of your cat in action. The link is Hey Cougars, please watch this video about joining our school band. The band club's first meeting is next Tuesday on November 9th, 2021 at 4:15 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Hey Cougars, do you like to dance? The dance team wants you.
Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like an 80. She said that looking so. Got the cash out. Told them white book in the nose. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can take that. And I really wanna know. When you wet. I was at.
Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby. Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend the dinero. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo. Ritmo.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.
Hey 8th graders, do you know what high school you're going to? Why not check out FIU High School?
Break the mold of a typical high school student. Be part of a community where you can find your voice. Construct your confidence and your courage. Forge friendships and discover opinions. Where being unique is power. Transform your questions into answers. Turn obstacles into opportunity. And start building the future you expect. This is Florida Atlantic University High School, where you have the freedom to make your own path and the support to move from an idea to a discovery. It's time to explore, to find your spark. Your future awaits.
Let's take a look at some silly hairstyles. If you have any silly hairstyles you want to send in, please send it to this link. Cougars, let's give our attention to Josh with our sports.
Last night's game was between the Dolphins and the Bills won 26-11. For the NBA, last night's game was between the Heat and the Grizzlies, with the Heat winning at 129 points. 120. Reminder about grades and behaviors. Make sure your grades are good, no F, no referrals, so that you can play our sports. Let's get our joke of the day, quote of the day, and weather for the weekend.
The quote of the day is, overthinking can kill your happiness. The joke of the day is, how do you stop squirrels playing football in the garden? Hide the ball, it drives them nuts.
Get off the stage. Get around now. Get off. Just leave.
Please take a moment of silence for those lost due to COVID.
Right, remember we have guests coming, guys, today?